What's up? Welcome to Crafting with Belinda. You already know what time it is, guys. Every time you see a new tutorial, just know that I'm working on something. And these are my new babies right here. Remote control, I don't know, PlayStation box, combo, vending machine, whatever you want to call it, y'all. I don't even got a name for it right now, but trust me, I'll come up with something by the time I put it on the stand store. So I just wanted you guys to, usually I cut it out, but I'm gonna let y'all watch me cut it out. And I wanted to show you guys that this fit on one foam board. This is the 8.5 by 11. Y'all already know I'm going big. I just got to send my prints off to the printing shop tomorrow, which is Monday. Alright, y'all. I don't know where I cut off at because my phone storage is full. Y'all pray for your girl because I've been over here filling that thing up. But these are the size, guys. And for those who don't know me, when I'm making anything vending machine type, I like to put my size on after I, cut it out. Y'all will see. And then I score it and then I glue my size on. But we're going to go ahead and get into it because it's late in the midnight hour. God's gonna turn it around. He's gonna work in my favor. So let's go ahead and cut this out. Let me go ahead and get this part off real quick. I hope it ain't too dark for y'all because that's what I'm working with right now. Alright, so once you glue it on your board, I try to glue right to the edge as close as possible. And so first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut right here. Cut my line going straight across right here. Boom. Knock that out. And so we're gonna start cutting. Just do your best. Somebody say, I gotta do my best. Because we're gonna use a sanding block to get, all that jagged edge. Y'all, God is so good. I feel like I'm in a happy place. Like, not just a happy place, but a joyful place because so many crafters have been blessed by my ministry since I've been doing crafting. And so, guys, real quick, when I'm going around cutting out, I don't cut all the way through. I kind of just score it first. Then I go back through and I push the knife all the way through and then I just go down. You just go up, you just move it and it'll go in the way that you had originally cut it. Somebody say just like that. Just like that. Just like that. But oh, I forgot what I was talking about. Oh yeah. But I've been blessing a lot of crafters, just with the ministry that God has placed within me. And this is my happy place. Like, I love it here. I truly do love it here. I mean, I've been a licensed minister since 2020, but been serving the Lord with all my heart for 18 years. And I'm just so grateful to be used by God. I'm so grateful, look, just to be in love with him. Because it's rare, very rare that you see people on fire for God these days. Just in love with him. And that's my hardest desire, is to help women fall in love with the Lord so that they will be on fire for him. So that their lives will impact others. I'm also a licensed coach. I have a coaching community of a few women that are allowing me to coach them. One being my oldest daughter. one being my cousin, one being my niece. And so truly, I'm impacting my family over here. I don't know what nobody else doing, but I know what I'm doing. And I'm grateful. So we're going to cut this out right here. It's a blessing, y'all. It is a blessing. Mother's Day this year will be 19 years of my salvation. 19. Let's go, Lord. I'm walking this thing out with you. I'm riding out till the wheels fall off, baby. And we're just going to go around. Don't be afraid. Use that knife, girl. Or bro. So remember, we're scoring. You ain't going all the way through. Right? Once you scored it, then you're going to go all the way through. I got this thick photo paper. Just take your time, guys. Don't be in a rush. Sometimes I be in a rush. Alright. So we got it out. You see that jagged edge thing, you know, we be getting. I got my sanding block. Now, y'all, this is the Gator, oh, shoot. Gator something sanding block. It's at Walmart. Go over there where the sandpaper at, and you will see something that says Gator block or something like that. Something Gator, y'all. And, this is the coarse one. And we're going to get them edges. I gotta take my time with this, y'all. Once you got it cleaned up, I'm gonna take my knife and I'm going to score right here because I want to put my sides on. Don't cut all the way through. Score. Score. Alright. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. This is the top shelf. This is the top that's gonna go, yeah, on the top. And I'm gonna use a plain white one for the bottom. Alright, let's see if we can finish this video because my phone keep going out. So I done cut everything out, guys. I done scored it. I think y'all seen it already. And so I like to measure my pieces to make sure that they are matching up right here. I know they probably ain't right here because I gotta finish it off. But I measure my pieces. You see my edges. I use my sander to get the job done. Alright, so we're gonna add these on. I use Gorilla Glue because I got photo paper. Fan it a little bit. This template is on the Stand store. And y'all already know I'm going bigger. Alright. So what I like to do, y'all, I like to, since I already scored it, let me come up with something. I like to bend it a little bit where I can see the crease. And then I place it on there. Alright, let's do this one. And I do want to thank you all for those who've been supporting me, purchasing templates. Y'all, somebody purchased the that Cybertruck template. I got the idea from Lisa Love on TikTok for the Cybertruck, but somebody purchased it, y'all, and they transformed it. That girl put a hood on there because it was like open. It just had the sides to the truck, and the middle was like open that they can put little, whatever candy and stuff in it. But she put a top on it, a trunk, a hood with the windows. That girl snapped. That crafter snapped on that template. That's what I'm talking about. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Y'all work it. Work it. Make it happen. I just like creating these, y'all. But it's for us. Take it and do your own thing. Alright. So I'm going to clean this up. Cut it, clean it up. And we're going to put the shells on. That's right. I got a little. See a little bit up here that I gotta hit. I usually like putting these back on top of each other like this. Yeah, sometimes I'll do that. I'll put these on top like this, and then I'll cut from what's left over on the top. Because I like to get even sides. Even sides assembles better. Alright, that's that. I'm gonna put my glass in my window, because we working with glass. Play. Y'all, I'm a kid at heart. When I bought this little cuddle thing from Dollar Tree, I don't know what that's gonna be, y'all, but I had to tell myself in the store, girl, put that down. Being a crafter have you spending extra money. Y'all know, because a lot of y'all got so much stuff y'all done bought just sitting up there and you ain't even crafting. You ain't even crafting. But you done bought all that stuff. Dust it off. That's what I told myself when the Lord told me to go crafting again. Go dust it off. Alright, let's get to it. This is a little small one, but I gotta go big. I'm going big with a 13 by 9. I need somebody out there that's gonna go big with the 16 by 20 or bigger. Who out there willing to take this challenge? To go bigger on these. Tag me so I know it's real. Tag me so I know you ain't scared. Tag me, girl. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Let me see if these. Let's see if one of my pre-made shells fit. I got a whole bunch of pre-made shells that I had made for the smaller vending machine. And I gotta cut off a little bit, but let's see. I may need to go a little smaller. Oh, this is perfect. That's perfect. Let me see. I gotta cut off a little bit. All right, let's see if I can get this finished, y'all, cause it keep cutting off on me. So I got the bottom shelf. So this is how you're gonna glue it, guys. You gotta make sure that the side wall is all the way up, right? And you're gonna go ahead and do your measurement. So for me, I don't like to be directly with this panel. I don't like for it to be directly against up. All right, y'all, let me finish this. I don't have to delete 3 apps off my phone just to finish this video. So we're gonna make sure this is right first. Oh, I'm supposed to be doing the bottom first, y'all. Let me do the bottom. Let's do the bottom. It's late. I gotta get out of here. And I always like on the end shelf, the corner, I don't like to go all the way to the end there either. So I just fall short just a little bit. That's just my preference. Make sure your side wall is up. These small ones, you gotta be careful that dough, like right there. Right now. Make sure my dough is good. And it's good. So I got that one up. We're only gonna do 2 shells here because, yeah, we're not gonna do a middle one because it's too small up in there. And so we got the top here. Let's make sure it's, Go ahead and glue that. Let me turn it this way so I can see. All right, go ahead and get that. sure we even. All right, and so we got the back piece, which is going to open up. This is that side. Just see where it's at. See where it's at right there, so you can know where to glue. So with this one, I'm gonna glue on top of this, right on top, because that's where it's falling at. And we're gonna put it where it's falling at. Well, let me see, I may. Okay, yeah. Okay. Oh, I like it like that too. So, I'm gonna put mine's. I'm gonna glue these. Instead of here, I'm gonna glue there. Cause I really like it right there anyways. Just had to play with it to see. Alright. Take this bad baby on home. Been back here long enough. Alright. Just hold it up, y'all, so I can see what I'm doing here. Alright. Let me turn my camera around so y'all can see.